to make very good smoothie. After this video, this is not going to be healthy. This is only a game, don't actually try it. First, you add pumpkin living. Yes. Now all you need to add is apple melon. Now you grab him. Add another pumpkin one. Don't ask why the blender's not on the table. You put him in there. If you want to go in there, just punch him in here and he will lose life. Now you have to add big boy. You can add you can add ranger leg. Ah! Add ranger leg. And you need to add a car. With no wheels, by the way. Now you have to add this melon. Go. Aha. I can just do not be here. Okay. I sleep. Now you add bleach guy. We had him in the video already in the little. Now you add ambush. This little guy. Keep stepping in. Now you need to add something so special. Big melon. Hold on. Okay, he lost just a leg, so let's put in it. Now this is ASMR, not actually lol. Ugh. Now you should close. Now you turn on blender. Ha 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 ha. Ooh, that looks good. Alright, it bit like a long time. Now I have it. I have to smooth. What should I call it? Do it in the comments. Wait, I shouldn't. I should call this the pumpkin flavor. It tastes like Ooh, this smells good. Now let's drink. So yummy. Now that's the end of the video. That's a good tutorial. Wait, do not make that actually. Do not. Do not. Alright, bye guys.